No single academic discipline is going to solve any problem, especially this kind of problem. So for me, we are in a particular moment where there's academics. We do have a ethical obligation ourselves to not only just engage in conversations with people who are like ourselves, and that was one of the things I did with that previous volume, was invite people I knew I'd disagree with. That's important to me. But also to try to reach out to people across different disciplines who we sometimes don't know anything about, but we could learn a great deal about them. So for me, it's also part of my own educational awareness as well, to try to say, well, okay, I know there's great people across the university doing wonderful work in their own unique way. Let's bring these into shared conversation. Let's have an open, honest discussion around this. And how might we collectively understand then the road ahead together in a much more meaningful, open, critical way? And I think those kind of, to me, transdisciplinary conversations is precisely what the world needs right now. Not just simply falling back into the privileging of a certain academic discipline over another, but to actually say that we all have our part to play as we kind of move forward in this kind of conversation.